Hi, my name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for excellent flooring and remodeling. I wasn't able to actually locate a specific website for your business. I saw that you have the Facebook page, which we have pulled up here. So since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you this quick video to show you what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining customers. Now, we know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So we started making these videos to help out other small business owners with this aspect of their businesses. If you have questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk, but either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So the three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So that's the text on the front page, all the text within images, and whatever your images are saved as. Again, since we don't have a website for you specifically, I did take a look at one of your top competitors in Austin named Kitchen Central, just to give you an example. So all this text here and any images, linking, this is all content that Google combs through whenever it does a crawl of your website. And now to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like Saltillo Tile Austin, Kitchen Remodeling Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website will be one of the first ones to pop up. Now, this is where a customized website would really shine. You can include things like customer testimonials, links to your social media pages like Facebook and Instagram, and pictures of any of your previous projects doing before and afters. Customers love seeing those sorts of things. And so that's what you could build into your website to build trust, to build credibility, and then on the back end using backlinks, we would be building your authority. So that's actually the next thing I wanted to talk to you about. They're called backlinks, and the thing is with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is when you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that's related to your industry. So for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be great for you and building that credibility. Or a popular website that features various types of home services, something that has to do with the services that you offer. You're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from a local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. It gives you a ton of really valuable data on what kind of traffic is coming into your website. So just taking a look at Kitchen Central here, they do have over 1,000 backlinks coming in from 197 referring domains. So those are different websites that are pointing back at Kitchen Central. And what that does is it ends up driving them up on the Google rankings, search rankings, and causing more people to click on their website. And that's where this organic traffic number is coming from. That's the approximate number of visits to their website over the last month. So obviously they're getting a lot of visitors and potential customers out of that. So what we would do is in order to make you competitive in this space. We always tell our clients to try and get that same kind of influence and power by going after the same backlinks that they have, which we can see what backlinks they have, and then continuing to add more after that. So by the time your competition realizes what's happening, you've already way surpassed them, and you'll just continue to climb the ranks and eventually show up on the first page of the Google searches, which is the end goal. The last thing I want to talk to you about is something called citations. They're very important because if someone wants a service now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search it, and then they're probably going to pick one of the first ones that comes up. So let's take a look back at what your citations will do. So I'm just going to research for, how about kitchen remodeling, Austin, Texas. And you'll see here this space that pops up before any of the other websites. This is called the Google Map Pack. And a lot of people end up clicking on these before they even start scrolling to these are called organic results. They'll just click on one of these. Now, how do you get up here? It's by those things called citations. And a citation is just the listing of your name, address, and phone number in an online directory. So that'll be things like Yelp, Home Advisor, Facebook, white pages, yellow pages. Those are all different types of directories. And so the more of those that you have, the higher up on the rankings you'll show up on these. So Kitchen Central, again, showing up here, I'm willing to bet that they have a lot of citations that are pointing to their website. So that's going to be everything. Thank you so much again for taking the time to look at the video. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to give Megan a call, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day.